Have you ever had your ad campaigns pause in the middle of the night just because your payment didn't go through? I have witnessed that a lot in my 5 years of being a media buyer. You wake up expecting orders from your campaigns and all the momentum you gathered dropped simply because your ad has been paused due to the fact that your ad platform could not process your payments. That's frustrating, right? Now, imagine a card that was literally built for advertisers like you. A card you can top up instantly with crypto that works on Facebook ads, Google ads, TikTok ads, and all the big platforms you know. No messy declines, no random freezing. Oh, and did I mention cashback? Free cards and almost zero fees. Stick with me because I will break down how 𝗵𝗔 would actually save your campaigns, your ad budgets, and your sanity. If you have been running ads for any length of time, then you already know the headaches, the struggles that comes with marketing on these ad platforms. When it comes to declined payments, they could reject your cards, your ad can be paused because they could not process your payments, your card could be blocked, and when the ad is not running, if you were running that ad for client, your client will be calling you, complaining about the ad not performing, not knowing that you could not process payment. Some of us even lost our ad accounts on several platforms because we could not process payment. For traditional banks, those ones don't even get it, especially those of us in the developing countries, whereby most of our cards cannot process international payments. When it comes to topping up, slow transfer speed, hidden charges, limits that make no sense. For us media buyers, it is like running a race with your legs tied together. Because if you can't process payments on any of these ad platforms, then they are not going to approve your ads. That's where 𝗵𝗵𝗁 comes in. Think of it as your advertising cards on stereos. These are virtual USD Visa and MasterCards issued by banks in the US and Europe, but built with one mission: to keep your advertising campaigns running smoothly. You top them up instantly with crypto, USDT, Bitcoin, and 16 other cryptocurrencies. No waiting for bank approvals, no business day delays. Your campaign budget is ready when you are. You can also pay for subscriptions, games, AliExpress. You can link to PayPal and pay with it. You can buy air tickets and pay for hotels around the world. The cards are suitable for paying for any services and purchases around the world. Now, here is the part I love most: Facebook ads. You know how picky Facebook can be with BINs, that is Bank International Numbers. If your card BIN number doesn't meet their requirements, then it will be difficult for you to get your payments through on Facebook ad platform. You know that, right? 𝗵𝗵𝗁 has special cards designed specifically for Facebook ads. The BIN numbers are fine-tuned for these platforms, meaning your ad payments on Facebook go through smoother and campaign management gets a whole lot easier. Less payment declines, more campaign scaling. For me, that's a game changer. On top of that, they are offering some of the best terms you can find in the market. I'm talking about 3% cashback on ad spend, free virtual cards, over 25 being already available and regularly updated, and some cards with full 3D secure support, so you pass AWS checks without stress. It's like they sat down with media buyers and asked, what do you hate about payments on ad platforms? And then they went to solve these big issues for media buyers. Now, if you want to maximize benefits, that's what is called the 𝗵𝗵𝗁 private program. It runs on a monthly subscription with different levels: extra small, small, medium, and large. Inside that program, you get that 3% cashback locked in, up to 100 free cards every month, and lower fees on your top-ups. Imagine managing each client or campaign with its own dedicated card. No more mixing expenses, no more overspending for one particular ad or confusion. Everything becomes clear, transparent, separate, and professional. And let's talk numbers, because this part really surprised me. 0% fees on transactions, declines, refunds, withdrawals, all of it. Card top-up starts from just 2%. And here is the kicker: if you are new, your first USDT deposit is completely fee-free. That's zero fees on the first time you fund your card. Plus, if you don't want to use crypto, you can still top up through SEPA, or Swift bank transfers, or with other Visa or MasterCards. And if you're managing a team, listen to this. PSTnet lets you assign rules, create sub-accounts, transfer cards between accounts, and even set auto top-up, so you never run dry in the middle of a campaign. The dashboard is super clean, real-time tracking is built in, and you can export your reports in CSV or XLS formats. And yes, there is a mobile app available on Google Play Store and App Store. So you can manage ads on the go. Whether you are traveling or just out of office, you are always in control. For security, that's already covered. Two-factor authentication, 3D secure codes through Telegram bots, and a BIM checker tool that shows you live approval rates and your spend data. For support, it's available 24/7 on Telegram and WhatsApp, or email. Real people always on. And if you like earning extra, the affiliate marketing is available for you. You need to check that out. The affiliate program pays 90% of exchange fees, 30% from card issuance, and 10% of top-ups from your referrals. Plus, you even earn more from their referrals too. That's passive income stacked on top of your ad profits. So here is the bottom line. If you're serious about running ads, then you need payment cards that work. I mean, cards that won't hold you back or decline when you want to run your ads. PST.net is built for us, the media buyers, the ad agencies, the hustlers who need campaigns running 24/7. Click the link in the description below, sign up and try it in your next campaign. Once you experience smooth payments and cashback at the same time, you wonder how you ever managed without it. Which ad platform gives you the most headache when it comes to decline payments or payment issues? Let me know in the comment section below.